If your iPhone's home screen is getting a little too cluttered, you don't necessarily have to delete all those apps or spend an hour rearranging everything. There's actually a really simple feature built right into iOS that lets you hide an entire home screen page. This is especially useful if you have a page full of apps that you don't use every day but still want to keep installed. Here's how it works. Start by going to your iPhone's home screen. Now, touch and hold an empty area on the home screen until your app icons start to jiggle. You will see a row of dots appear near the bottom of the screen just above the dock. Tap those dots. You will now see an overview of all home screen pages on your iPhone. Each page will have a checkmark underneath it. To hide a page, simply tap the checkmark underneath that page. The checkmark will disappear, which means the page is now hidden. Once you're finished, tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it. That entire home screen page is now hidden. Here's the important part. Hiding a home screen page does not delete any of the apps on it. The apps are still installed on your iPhone. You have simply removed that particular page from the home screen. You can still find those apps using Spotlight search or by going to the app library. So this is a great option if you want to keep certain apps around without having them take up space on your home screen. And if you change your mind, bringing the page back is just as easy. Again, touch and hold on an empty area on your home screen until the icons start to jiggle. Tap the page dots at the bottom. You will see all of your home screen pages again, including the ones you have hidden. Find the page you want to restore and tap the empty circle underneath it. A checkmark will appear again. Tap Done and the home screen page will be restored exactly as you left it. You don't have to hide individual apps just because you don't use them very often. For example, you could have one home screen page dedicated to work apps, another for travel, and another one for games. When you don't need one of those pages, you can simply hide it. Your apps stay installed, but your everyday home screen stays clean and organized. So if your iPhone has become a mess of home screen pages, give this feature a try. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to iOS Hacker for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.